The Reston Master Plan Special Studies first phase was reviewing the areas along the Dulles Toll Road in preparation for the arrival of Metro Rail's new Silver Line. We're looking to transform this currently suburban, auto-oriented development into a more lively, urban, mixed-use area. The area will be designed for pedestrians, bicyclists, transit users, and vehicles. We'll incorporate public art, public open space, including plazas, town greens. We look to have additional affordable housing in these areas. And finally, we're looking to incorporate a street grid in order to allow traffic to circulate throughout the area. Now that the plan has been adopted for those areas along the Dulles Toll Road, the second phase of the Reston Master Plan Special Study will review those outlying areas of the Reston community, the residential areas, the village centers, convenience centers. We'll look to review the plan guidance for those areas and look for public input in this process. If you're interested in learning more about the study and participating, you can visit our website. It's fairfaxcounty.gov/dpz/Reston.